Hi. In this video I would like to make a clear distinction between three Swedish words: personlig utveckling, personlig inveckling and personlig avveckling. There is a huge confusion in the spiritual world and in the therapeutic world, in the change management world, in the human development world around those different things. I don't know exactly what kind of words I would use in English, because most of them believe that they are personal development, which actually are not. So to describe this, I would like to show you a model of a human being. It's very simple, could be used even for a child. First of all, there is something that we call I. So I is a real sense of I am here. There is also a part of us that knows that we are aware. And in this model, I will draw the awareness like this. It's something that is difficult to show or draw. And most of us agree that we have a body. And in this model, which comes from the friendship approach, we'll have emotions here and thoughts here, for the simple reason that it's really easy to see how things function together. If I ask a person, or you, to focus totally on your foot, and you close your eyes and I will guide you for a while, and you will feel the heaviness, the warmness and humanness and whatever is there, you will move your awareness into your foot. And while you are in the foot and you are focused, there may be nothing else there. If you have trained your concentration, everything else would disappear, would just be the foot. I can also ask you to have your awareness in both feet. It's very simple. I can also ask you to think, I've talked in this about a memory. I could ask you for a memory on the beach, and that will be connected to other memories. And there would be certain emotions connected to those thoughts, and things would happen in the body. So in this case, I'll ask you to move your awareness to a complex that we call memory, and you will be there. And if you are there, there may not be any awareness at all about the foot or the feet. I can also ask you to move your awareness to a fantasy of the future. For instance, you're eating the best food or ice cream you ever had. And you're sitting on a place and it's just, maybe some people are there. So here you have thoughts and emotions, and if you keep thinking about this food, you may also feel the salvation in the mouth, saliva. So then you will be here in this fantasy. So what I would like to point out here is that if we have this system, we can do things with it. and if we realize that this system is like it is. When a person gets triggered, something is happening here. It could be a dog, for instance, or whatever it is. If the person is afraid of dogs, it will jump into a fear, a reaction, thoughts, maybe not aware thoughts, and emotions, and the body would react. And the person here will say, I am afraid of dogs. So you see, the I that is here is not who I am. So what can we do? We can try to fix this I and ask, what do you need? Poor you are suffering, and all of things. We can also try to get the person realize that this is just a dream. It's a fantasy. And the person may say, no, it's not a fantasy at all because I see the dog. Yeah, but this is a new dog. You've never seen this before. And you have no idea about the psyche of that dog. So what I mean with personal development, take another example. Take a person that is really afraid of doing a public speech. I can teach that person new techniques to overcome this. Well, you can think like this, and I'll widen this network, and you can do like this, and you can breathe it like this, and I help this person, in some sense, to live with what's there, and that will work. But before having this talk, this person will still be afraid and have to make many talks before. Some artists, or even famous comedians, says they are always afraid, but they overcome it by personal development. Another way is personlig inveckling. It means that I make the person more fucked up. I'll tell to the person, well, you are born in this star sign. You should never have public speeches. Then we'll make this part more complicated. The third way is personlig avveckling. That means that we help the person to realize that I'm not that. It also means that we help the person to meet the thing here, so there is no fear of feeling this anymore. Then the person is free. This personality part has disappeared. There is a lot of retreats, I've even gone on retreats, where they say, well, now after this retreat, when you come home, it may be hard for you, because now we are more sensitive. That is to personlig inveckling. I'll give the person a problem they don't have. And why should I go on a retreat where I won't get more alive, more present, more strong? Where I get rid of this. One way to get rid of those is to inquire into who am I? And the funny thing with inquiring into who am I is that on my way to know the truth, I will see what I'm not. I hope this video gave you some idea about personlig utveckling, personlig inveckling och personlig avveckling. What I mean, to add things to be able to stand a situation. To make you more fucked up, say this is not for you. Or poor you. Yeah. Playing the game of a... yeah, I don't go there now. Or help you out. So find someone who's seen through this that can help you out. And not someone who plays the game of victim, helper role. I wish you all the best luck with this. Bye for now.